Tape 6.
Este viste. Este viste.
Eso necesita Cristian. Eso está ahí, apunta eso.
Huh?
Apunta.
Yo, this is my first time seeing this like this.
They
They don't show you this on your YouTube videos.
Esta es la pompa del aceite. Eso es lo que pompa el aceite para los.
Oh, and you could tell it gets bent too, right?
No, that's how it is.
That's how it is? Oh, no, the oil pan ain't that bent. For that to be bent. Wow, this is the first. Oh, this is all.
The lighting here, Pina?
It comes out. Look. That's all just oil. Silver down there.
Yeah, it seems.
Not bad. They took care of it.
It seems good so far.
So far, so good. Can't complain.
Vamos a ver cómo está el palo de leva.
Yeah, los bearings.
¿Cómo se llama? La biela. Sí, la biela, la anilla. La biela.
Valves?
I don't know how to say it in Spanish.
La biela.
La biela, sí, la biela.
Sí, biela. Se llama biela.
We getting places. We definitely getting places.
Se llaman bielas. Y la biela va por número también. Son números. El número es pitón, el número de la biela.
Is that size 10, those?
Right?
Yeah. Sir. Watch one video, just keep it going. We almost there.
¿Y el cigüeñal va afuera también?
One video a day, or one video a week, or one video every 2 weeks. People constantly posting too many videos.
Yo sé que el diente se manda a también, ¿verdad?
Yeah,
pero eso lo vamos a mandar para chequear la
donde sea, tú no estás haciendo con una nena.
A la medida perfecta.
Sí. Ellos mismos que se visten el motor.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I gotta make a video of my car actually. I gotta make a video of my car.
We need to make a video when they. Oh!
Mira, está limpiecito, loco. Ese motor está.
Yeah, it's nice and free too. Not that much play in it now.
Good. That's crazy. That's crazy.
So, we're about to just pop one piston out now, guys. See how it's
About to pop a piston. For the first time in my life, I'm looking at this go down.
Yeah, the bearings look.
Yes, there it is. It is. Knock, knock. Who's there?
Y otro tornillito lo mete aquí dentro, lo mete al verde.
And that's how you take it out.
Mira, tan bueno.
Wow.
Tan nuevo.
We have a clean motor, guys.
Zoom in on that. Zoom in on that. What that looking like?
Little scars,
Yeah,
but
right there. One in here.
that's nothing.
That's nothing.
This motor probably has 100 and something thousand miles.
Maybe less.
Yeah.
Para que tenga esas bielas así.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe got less.
It's good. It's good.
Real good.
Just pop these motherfuckers out and pop them out. So we could be one step closer.
One step closer to victory, my guys.
Hold this shit right there, Tito.
I got it.
Come in the bottom, so you can see the piston actually come out. As soon as I pop it out with a pop it out. Still looking at that. Oh, better.
There it is. Yep, there it is. Here comes the piston and the rod.
¿Cómo está esa biela? ¿Está buena también?
Yeah. Yeah, it has sitting marks because the motor was sitting for a while.
Yeah.
But
Wow.
we are good though.
It's good news, good news. Nothing but good news.
Yeah, that's good. I mean, I drove the car when the motor was in it, and it rode good. The motor sounded healthy.
Woo! Yeah, I got those in the house too.
Yeah, we have all this new, but just to know, look, no scratches on the walls, none of that. Everything looks OEM, yo. Yeah, this probably had low miles.
Yeah.
Really low miles, man.
Hubiera hablado mal y tuviera esos pistones con jaya.
Yeah.
Original equipment
Alright,
manufacturer.
you go back down.
Uno para.
Yeah! Hey, she's not as heavy as before. Wow.
Next one now.
Vamos a hacer los de una vez ahí. Ahí está. Así que eso trabaja. Que no caigan a estos motor, papi.
Ya, eso es lo más nada que voy a hacer.
Opa, ahí tiene.
No, aquí mismo.
Lo que me dio. It don't matter.
¿Para dónde va
It's
este?
gonna come apart anyway. Put it right here.
Ya, 2000.
Yeah.
Échate para allá.
You're not using none of that shit anyway.
So none of that's good?
None of those pistons or rods and all that shit because we have rods and pistons.
Oh, yeah. So they come with their own bolts?
Yeah.
Everything go.
Second piston's out.
¿La primera vez que tú ves eso, papi?
No.
No, papi, estamos grabando para que estas son las memorias. Fino, morocho, and chichi. We out here. We gonna get this done.
They all look good.
They all go in order, right?
Yeah. I mean, like I told you, it don't matter, but
Keep jinxing me, old man. Come on, you're nearly there. I just don't want to drop you in. If I drop you in. If I drop her in, I'm buying a whole new motor.
Oh.
Yeah, I ain't drop her in. I ain't buying a whole new motor. Yeah, I thought. I was like, he ain't really gonna buy it. Nah, I would have bought it if I would have dropped it in. Y'all know I'm lying. Go fast, parts. Go fast, parts. Go fast. No, we just want to enjoy. We don't want to. We do want to go fast, but not too fast.
Páralo con esto aquí.
Yeah.
Parado ya está esto de una vez. There we go.
Yeah.
¿Ves cómo son esos
Yeah.
Push that last one, Tito. You saw what I was doing, right?
Yeah.
Do one at least.
We got pistons for sale.
Oh. There was a metal piece in there.
Oh, yeah, that's the berry.
I
Alrighty.
pushed it down. Grab it.
Yeah.
And the last one.
Alright.
You got it?
Yeah.
Go fast. Damn. Let me see what this weight like. Oh no, chill. You thought it's about to break your back.
Como búscate más bolsa, Tito, para que eche las pizzas esas.
Yeah. Get one more.
Búscate una toalla para que lo seque.
We be back?